Welcome to the second lesson on gradient of a line. In the previous video, we conclude that gradient is equal to rise over run, or change in y over change in x. Now, if a line will be steep in this direction, then the gradient will be positive. And if a line will be steep in this direction, then the gradient will be negative. To proceed further with gradient, one more thing that you have to remember is another name for the gradient is slope. It means we can say that slope will be positive in this direction and it will be negative in this direction. Now, symbolically, what is the meaning of change in y? Let's have a look at this line. Now, to move along this line, definitely it is a steep line. So there will be the change in x as well as change in y. So whenever we have to consider the change in y while finding the gradient change in y, it will be equal to the final value of y, final y minus initial y. And if we have to consider change in x, it will be final x minus final y. For example, let's suppose we have here the value of, if I will write the coordinate of this point, let's say the coordinate of this point are 0, 0, and the coordinate of this point are 3, 4. The first coordinate, as we discuss it in the coordinate axis system, the first coordinate is x-axis and the second coordinate is representing the y-axis. So it's x and this is y coordinate. So here I can say now this is the new x and this is the new y. I can name it. Let's say this is x1, this is y1, and this is x2 and this is y2. So if I will look, my initial x was x1 and my final x is now x2. So if I will take change in x, so the change in x will be the final x, which is x2, minus the initial x, which is x1. And my initial y is y1 and final y is y2. So if I will take change in y, so change in y will be y2 minus y1. So if using that rule, if I will come to the formula of gradient, it means the gradient will be equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if this is a line and we have 2 points on the line, the first point, let's say, is A, which is x1, y1, and the second point on the line is B, let's suppose, is x2, y2. So the gradient of the line will be equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Suppose the point A is minus 1, 3, and the point B is minus 2, 1. Then gradient will be equal to y2, which is 1 here, so it will be 1 minus y1. y1 is 3, so it will be minus 3 over x2, which is minus 2 minus x1, which is minus 1. So I will have now minus 2 over minus 2 plus 1. That's going to be minus 2 over minus 1. So that will be equal to 2. So this is how we find the gradient. Normally we represent gradient or slope with the symbol m.